This is my final year project of diploma. This project is based on the home automation. In this system, we can control our home appliance at 4 different places. For example, we can able to control these LED bulbs and fans by using switch, GSM module, by sending SMS, Wi-Fi, ESP32 node MCU, and by using a remote IR sensor. Here I am using IR sensor. This is I have to show you that how this works. If I can press switch number 1, then this red LED will on, and if we can this is all the intermediate switches. When I off 1, then off 1. When I on switch 2, switch on 2. When I on switch 3, bulb 3 on. When I switch 4 on, then socket 4 is on. And this is power socket. This is also on by using a application Blink app. On my Blink app, the switch number 5 is on, then this socket is on. When I have to press this switch, this socket will off. We have to control all these appliances at 4 different places, that which are suitable for the user. I have to show you another controlling. This is a remote. The original remote of this controlling is this, but this remote is not working, and I don't have enough time to buy a remote, so I have to using this remote, but numbers are different. The decode values are same. I have to show you. When I have to press switch number 1, then you can see that relay 6 will on. This is the relay 6, but fan अभी कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है. The fan power supply is not okay, so I have to disconnect the fan. And here when I have to press switch 1, then relay 6 will on. When I have to press switch 2, then here power socket will on. Here you can see that when I press switch 2, the power socket will off. When we have to on the power socket by using remote, then we can off from here. You can see here that when I have to press this switch, so power socket off. And when we have to press this switch, you see here that blue LED will glow. And when I have to press this 2 number switch, the LED will off. Again when I have to press this switch, and the LED will on. When I have to press this button, you see here that white LED on, off, on, off. And here is the Wi-Fi GSM module, but GSM module is not working, and these relays are combined to each other. By 2 relays are combined, then we can make one relay is work as the intermediate switch. And these are the 4 channel relays. Here is the GSM module pins, digital pins here, but GSM module is not working. I have to make this correct and another video. And finally we have a application control, but I am not able to show you application because I am recording by using our phone. So you can download a Blink application available on Play Store, and I give you this Blink link in description box. You can check here that this node MCU is connected through our hotspot, and then this connected to hotspot, then blue LEDs will glow, and we can controlling by using Blink app at all over the world, from the world at any place. All the LED bulb fan at 4 different places.